Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel and welcome to my yarn room. Well, grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old yarny talk. Today, I am drinking out of my lemon cup, and it is so cute. I'm drinking black coffee this morning. It's so good. Well, today I do have a Happy Mail video that I'd like to share with you guys. This is from Cheryl. And Cheryl, I love the card. Thank you very much for that. I love the yarn. And you know me very well. I love these. And they're in my favorite sizes. So thank you so much for that, Cheryl. So let's go ahead and take a look at this Happy Mail video. So this is the Happy Mail, and this is from Cheryl. So I'm going to go ahead and get in this, and let's see what I have. Let's start with the card. Very nice, Cheryl. It's just beautiful. Thank you so much, and I very much appreciate what you wrote on the inside. This is so sweet. Thank you so much for that, Cheryl. The crochet hooks. I have to start with this because you guys know I love these kind of crochet hooks. So we have a I 5.5, H 5.0, J 6.0, and that sounded funny, and a G 4.0. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for these, Cheryl. I love these. I love them, love them, love them. And look at this. See what we got here. Oh my gosh, that is soft. Okay. Baby Bamboo. Cider Snuggly. And it says, warm wash, do not iron, dry flat, reshape while wet, may be dry clean, machine washable. This is very, very nice. Snuggly Baby Bamboo DK. Here we go. 80% bamboo, 20% wool. 104 yards in here. Cheryl, this feels good. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. So we have 1, 2, 3 of this color. Oh my gosh, this feels good. I can't thank you enough for this, Cheryl. Wow. This is so soft. Thank you. That's neat how they wrote that in there. That's neat. So, Cheryl, thank you very, very much for this. I've never heard of this. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Wow. Just wow. Okay, I was just looking for the how many yards again because I forgot what I said a while ago. 104 yards. Cheryl, this is just, I mean, I'm so thankful and so blessed that you even thought of me and sent this my way. So thank you so much for that, Cheryl. And this card was just beautiful, what you wrote on the inside. I appreciate that very much. Okay, once again, Cheryl, I'd just like to say thank you, and I feel so blessed and so humbled to have received this from you. So thank you very much. Okay, so the thing that I do have, I will be releasing a new Stitch of the Week today. And it is called the Staggered Half Double Pair. That's what it's called, Staggered Half Double Pair. So here's a sample of it right there. I think it's a very pretty stitch. I am really enjoying this. This will make great hats, scarves, you name it. And here's this one. I'm hoping this one will show up good. Let's see. It's really hard to tell how well this stitch is showing up on camera. but it's a very nice stitch. The next one I'm going to do is a staggered double pair. This one is the half double pair. But I really enjoyed this stitch, and I think you guys will enjoy it as well. So let's see. I did put out the bullion stitch last week, and here it is. Let's see. There you go. It's a pretty cool looking stitch. Here it is when it's like, I think it goes that way. When it's in the pattern. Nope, I think it goes that way. When you work it in the pattern. It's really not as noticeable. I think it's because I did this one a little tight. And then this one I did the way, actually more the way you're supposed to do it. So anyway, so that was last week, the bullion stitch. The staggered half double pair will be this week. Oh, and I was going to remind you, if you like my intros on the coffee mugs, these little things that you see, I have a tutorial on this, these coasters. And placemat. It's a three pattern in one is what it is. So I will leave the link below for you guys on this. I think it's really cool. For the mystery crochet along, I do have all my squares. This last one is the Easy Mock. I think it's the Easy Mock bobble stitch is what that is, and I just love that. This will be awesome as a washcloth. So if you like this size and this square, you could go ahead and turn this into a washcloth. Just put you a border around it. Let's see. Well, guys, let's see. There's got to be something else. Oh, yeah, tomorrow I plan on, see, tomorrow is Wednesday, doing Whip Caddy Wednesday. Oh, and I am working on week 3. So that will go out either... If it doesn't, no, I think I'll show it to you Wednesday, what I'm doing, and the tutorial for it, or the video for it, will actually go out Thursday. So Wednesday will be Whip Caddy Wednesday, and Thursday we'll be talking about the new square for the week. So there we go. And then I plan on putting this tutorial out today. So today you get 2 videos from me. One with my face and one with just my hands. Let's see. Oh, yes, the Joanne yarn haul. I wanted to say something about that again. Shannon, I want to include this picture of Shannon. Shannon was so nice. My sister and I, well, mostly my sister, there were so many colors that my sister was needing that they didn't have on the shelf. And since it was so early that we went, and it was the first day of the sale, Shannon was working really hard trying to get, you know, the colors and stuff out. And so anything that my sister had on her list, she would scan that and go to the back and find those and bring them out to her. And Shannon, I just want to say thank you so much for that. You were so sweet, so helpful, and you made my sister's day. And you made my day because you made my sister's day. So Shannon, I just want to say thank you so much for that, and that I and my sister both truly appreciate you and what you're doing at Joann's very much. Hey guys, let's go ahead and do our Be Still and Know devotion. Security blanket. In peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety. Psalms chapter 4, verse 8. Have you ever spent hours or minutes that seem like hours searching frantically for Blinky, Passy, or Lambie in an attempt to quiet the inconsolable child sprawled on the floor? Ah, that wonderful security item, the magic silencer, the instant peacemaker. As kids grow older, we try to wean them off those security items, the blankets that are torn to shreds, the teddy bears with missing eyes, or the pacifiers that are chewed beyond recognition. Most children don't agree that they could do without the security of those things, and they have a point. Think of all the times you walked through trials and found yourself at a loss. Where do you go to feel secure? The best place you can go is to God. He is our security, and He gives us the strength we need to press on. We should feel lost when we don't have Him nearby. When He's right beside us, sharing our pillow in the dark of night, riding beside us in the car, or sitting next to us at our desk, we sense that everything is going to be okay. Lord God, I look solely to You for my security. There is no better place to find it. Okay, guys, I'm so glad you enjoyed that as much as I enjoy that. And that's really all that I have for this video. So I just want to say thank you guys for hanging out with me and checking to see what I'm up to, and to see, check out the beautiful Happy Mail from Cheryl. And I'd like to say thank you to Shannon again for helping us like you did. You were a tremendous help. And yeah, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be sure and post your pictures on Facebook of your whip spaces so that I can put them in tomorrow's video. That's all that I have, guys. Just remember, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.